how to record shows on Spectrum TV. I'm going to tell you how to record shows using the Spectrum TV app. But first, note that the app itself doesn't handle the recording directly. Instead, it acts as a remote control for your Spectrum DVR. To start, open the Spectrum TV app and make sure you're signed in with your account. From here, search for the show or movie you want to record. Tap on it. If you have a compatible DVR linked to your account, you'll see a record option. Select it and choose whether to record just the episode or the whole series. The app sends the command to your home DVR, which then handles the actual recording. This only works if you're a Spectrum TV customer with DVR service, and your account is linked to the in-home DVR device. You can also manage recordings, delete old ones, or modify scheduled recordings right from the app. So while you're not saving shows on your phone, you're still in control of your library.